Okay, so what team are you? GoPro or DJI? Let's talk about this for a second. So for the last year, I've recorded everything as far as YouTube is concerned with this. This is a Hero 12 Black with the media mod, right? First one that I had, the media mod and the GoPro quit working together altogether. I had to return it. This one worked great until about 2 weeks ago, and then the audio went out. So now the media mod is totally worthless. This camera is worthless to me outside of just maybe some B-roll. After discussing this with my good buddy Brian, Paint Society, shout out to Brian, I have completely switched everything to DJI, and there's a good reason behind this. So first thing is app integration, app functionality. This one, you could try and try and try. I can never get the app to connect to this camera. It would always say connection fail, issue after issue. This one immediately connects first try, no issues whatsoever. The app works flawless. Second thing, color profile on GoPro, absolute dog snot, terrible. It's anytime this ends up in the booth, it looks so green that I have to have a white sheet of paper so I can color correct in post. Otherwise, it's just unusable. It doesn't look right. The standard color profiles out of DJI, far easier. I mean, I literally can sample. I'll sample my AirPod for my white balance and I'm done. It's a very minimal adjustment. Easy peasy. The other thing about this, the GoPro uses these like standard GoPro, mounts. And I know you see the DJI uses basically the same, but here's the difference. It's a quick connect. It's got a magnet and then these little tabs that lock on. Here's the other cool part. It has the same thing for portrait mode. So you guys know that I obviously make a lot of social media videos. I can put this on my head, get 4K quality, and even compressing 4K down to 1080, you're gonna retain that quality and that information. So if you need to push and pull it in post, far better. Audio integration as well. So the audio failed on this. I was using these DJI. This is another me and Brian discussion. I bought these because he ranted and raved about how great they were, and I really have been loving them as well. But these wirelessly pair to any of these cameras. So let me show you something. Okay, so like I said, I fully committed to DJI here. This is my Osmo Pocket 3, right? It's like a little cinema camera. I really like this for like vlog style videos. Easy. I also have like the little magnetic lens on there, so it's a little wider of a lens. But the mic 2s, this is the mic 2 case. This charges the mics. You could just plug it in USB-C and charge it. But there's an internal battery on this, so it'll charge your mics as it sits in the case. But this comes with obviously a transmitter that's hooked to my phone currently, and then an iPhone plug and a USB-C plug and 2 transmitters, right? So this, as soon as I turn this camera on, I can pair this to the camera seamlessly. I don't need to use any hot shoes or anything like that. It just wirelessly works. And the audio is super reliable. It works literally every time. The same thing goes for this. So basically the way that I do this, one of these mics is paired to this. The other one is paired to this. So depending on which camera I grab, I'll grab that mic and so on and so forth. It also comes with these nice little furry wind covers. Fantastic. But yeah, anyway, back to the comparison between GoPro and this Action 5. This is like the newest one that they have. If you are looking to get an action camera and looking to make automotive content and you just want something little like this, small form factor that's just going to work reliably, look at these. Ooh, there's one more benefit to this over this thing, and that's this. This is the battery case the DJI sells. Like when you buy this little kit, it comes with this. There's 3 batteries in here. Obviously, one's in the camera. Awesome. So you don't have to buy extra batteries. You literally have enough right here. Plus the batteries last longer than that GoPro ever has anyway. But the other cool part is you can use this like a battery bank, right? So it doesn't charge in the case like this. But because these 2 batteries are charged, if I plug a USB-C into here and into my phone, it'll take the power from these 2 batteries and charge my phone. So yeah, don't even look at GoPro at this point. They have been making the exact same camera since literally probably the last decade. They've just been updating firmware and trying to sell you on something that just, it's not new. It's not innovative anymore. It's not cool anymore. It doesn't work how it's designed to work. Switch to DJI, be happy, have fun making content, because that's literally what I'm back to doing.